Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to our channel. On our channel, we bring you the latest updates on cars in simple terms. Today, we are diving into the facelifted 4th generation of BMW X5. It might not be an electric superstar like some other BMWs, but it's still a big deal. So, let's break it down. If we talk about its engine upgrade, firstly, BMW's goal with this X5 facelift was to reduce its carbon footprint. They have introduced new mild hybrid petrol and diesel engines, including a 3.0 liter diesel inline 6. This engine gets some tech upgrades like steel pistons, a new fuel injection system, and a 48-volt starter generator. Power remains at 282 bhp and 479 pound-feet of torque. Now let's just talk about its mild features. These mild features come alive in the Eco Pro driving mode, allowing the engine to idle when you are coasting. With an 80 fuel liter tank, it promises a range of up to 700 miles. That's impressive, and it's got a lower CO2 emissions now. On the outside, you will spot some stylish changes: new headlights, tail lights, wheels, bumpers, and even a front grille that can glow. Inside, there's a fancy new digital dash with two big screens. Smartphone integration is improved with 5G connectivity. If we talk about comfort and space, it's still a roomy and comfy SUV. You can seat about 5 adults with ease, and there's an option for a third row if you want to fit 7. Good visibility all around, which is a surplus in the SUV world. The boot space is decent too, ranging from 560 to 1817 liters. Now let's talk about how it drives. The diesel engine runs smoothly and quietly thanks to its mild hybrid tech. It's got good torque and sharp throttle response. Plus, it can tow up to 3,500 kilograms of weight. In terms of handling, it offers precise steering and optional rear wheel steering for agility. You can get it with either steel spring or air suspension. The air suspension helps with ride comfort, although the big 22-inch wheels can be a bit bumpy at lower speed levels. If we talk about overall the conclusion, this facelifted BMW X5 is more attractive option than before. The xDrive 30D model, which is popular in the UK, offers a great balance of performance, comfort, and quality. On our scale, we would give it 4 out of 5 stars. It's a classy, comfort, and practical. A solid choice in its class. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on our channel. We will talk with you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.